Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z5X and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select accounts, and here click on add account. Select Google, and now provide email or email address or phone number. In my case, it would be email address. And tap on next. Now enter the password, just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Then decide if this device is for you or for your kiddo. Tap on next once signed, then read the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and tap on I agree if you do. Tap on accept. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. Obviously, whenever you wish to remove your account, smoothly mark it and then tap on remove account, confirm that you want to do it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.